This place was amazing to stay at. We're going to start our day. We've started it quite bad, actually, haven't we?
We have. It was their own fault. Stupid kid.
So we just watched the Swans game from the other night and they've lost by 10, so it's a very sad start to the day. But we're going to see a castle, so hopefully it'll get better. You ready?
You were going to say, and we'll get happier.
No, I wasn't. Alright, let's do it. Alright, here at the other castle, we're just waiting on the others to show up, wherever they are. Running a little bit late. That's okay. And then we're going to go in. First glimpse of the castle. It's cold today.
I know, I should have put on proper trousers.
I know. It's a pretty impressive castle.
Yeah.
Like him? Yeah. On the water.
They're like stage lights. Like the old-fashioned ones that go at the front of the stage.
Alright, we stopped at a place called the Fairy Pools. I've got the camera in the car because it's so windy out here you probably couldn't hear me. But I'm going to take it with us. Hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots. My family is crazy. They're about to go in this water. I thought your dad was crazy and we would go away and be swimming out to the middle of nowhere, but this is nuts. So up there in those mountain range, that's the snow, then it melts and comes down here. So you can imagine how cold it actually is. Crazy. You what?
They don't look warm.
They really don't. There's like a red tinge to them from how cold it is.
I got a red tinge just from having my hands exposed. Here we have a Luke in his natural habitat. Very well camouflaged.
I'm over on my own rock now, but the view's pretty amazing. The pools here are awesome. Look at this.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Another castle?
Yep.
What one's this?
Armadale Castle.
Armadale. Cool. It's just a ruin, but I think.
I think so too.
There's not really much left of this particular castle compared to some of the other ones we've seen on this trip. It looks like just a shell. Okay, we have stopped in
Fort William.
Fort William. tried to find a little B&B. They're all way too expensive, or they're booked out.
Yes,
Yeah. So we're here at a travel lodge.
don't judge us.
It seems alright. I mean, it's a bed. Look at it. It's just a bed. There's nothing else. It's nothing special. It's, we're gonna go grab a drink, and then go to sleep, and then drive to Glasgow. All good. See you guys.